So next drug is sulfacetamide, medication used to treat bacterial eye infection such as conjunctivitis. This medication treat only bacterial eye infection. Mechanism of action is also inhibit the dihydrofolic acid synthesis. Next drug is sulfapyridine. It is no longer prescribed for the treatment of infection in human. It may be used to treat linear IgA disease, as used in veterinary medication. Mechanism is as same as tinidazole, sulfacetamide and sulfamethoxam. Next drug is sulfamethoxazole. It is used to treat bacterial infection like urinary tract infection, bronchitis, prostatitis. Effective against both gram-negative and positive bacteria. Synthesis of sulfamethoxazole. So here para-aminobenzene sulfonyl chloride when react with 3-amino S-methyl isoxazole. So it will form sulfamethoxazole and HCl is removed from the reaction. Next drug is sulfadiazine. Sulfadiazine are used in the treatment of nocardiasis and other infection caused by chlamydia or toxoplasma gonadie. Used with pyrimethamine. It is second line treatment for otis media, prevention of rheumatic fever, chlamydia infection and Haemophilus influenzae. Structure and is given in classification, and the mechanism of action is as same as other drug. Mafenide. Next drug is mafenide acetate, used to treat severe burns. It is used topically as an adjunctive therapy for second and third degree burn, and also bacteriostatic agent against gram positive and gram negative bacteria. It is more appropriate for non-facial burns. Next drug is sulfasalazine. It is used to treat rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. And mechanism of action is as same as other drugs of antiprotozoal level. Next agent is folate reductase inhibitor. So mechanism of action of folate reductase inhibitor is dihydropteroate diphosphate and para-aminobenzoic acid react to form dihydroteroic acid in the presence of enzyme dihydroterate synthesis. Further, dihydroteroic acid is converted to dihydrofolic acid in the presence of enzyme dihydrofolate synthesis, and dihydrofolic acid converted to tetrahydrofolic acid and in the presence of enzyme dihydrofolate reductase. So sulfonamide act on the first step, that is it is block the synthesis of dihydroteroic acid, which ultimately block the synthesis of dihydrofolic acid. And folate reductase inhibitor works on the inhibit the enzyme dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, so ultimately inhibit the synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid. So common therapeutic uses of folate reductase inhibitor treating bacterial, fungal, protozoal infection. First drug is folate reductase inhibitors trimethoprim. It is an antibiotic used mainly in the treatment of bladder infection with sulfamethoxazole or Dapsone. It may be used for hemostasis pneumonia in people with HIV/AIDS. Structure is as follows. Next, cotrimazole. It is medicine called an antibiotic used to treat or prevent certain type of infection caused by bacteria. So combination of clotrimazole is sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. Therapeutic uses. It is used in lower urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection, typhoid fever, bacterial diarrhea, pneumocystitis and cancerite. Mechanism of action of cotrimazole is common of both sulfonamides and trimethoprim, so that is also block the synthesis of enzyme dihydrofolate synthesis and also dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. In synthesis of trimethoprim 3, 4, 5 trimethoxybenzaldehyde react with beta methoxypropionitrile in the presence of sodium or methanol as a solvent. It forms 3, 4, 5 trimethoxy 2-methoxymethyl cinnamomnitrile. Further, in the presence of sodium and methanol, it will convert it to 3, 4, 5 trimethoxy 2-cyanodihydrocinnamaldehyde dimethyl acetate, and after that in the presence of methanol as a solvent and react with NH2C, a C double bond NH2, so it will form the trimethoprim. Next topic is sulfone. So it is chemical compound containing sulfonyl functional group attached to carbon atoms. The central hexavalent sulfur atom is double bonded to each of the two carbon atom and has a single bond to each of two carbon atom, usually in two separate hydrocarbon substituent. The first drug of sulfones is dapsone. It is also known as diamino-phenyl sulfone. Is an antibiotic commonly used in combination with rifampicin, clofazimine for the treatment of leprosy. It is aniline derivative. The structure is as follows of dapsone, and the mechanism of action inhibit the dihydropteroid synthesis enzyme. Synthesis of dapsone. Here 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene react with sodium sulfide, so the NaCl will remove from the reaction mixture. This reaction will continue at RT or room temperature. So it will form 4,4-dinitrophenyl sulfide. After oxidation with potassium dichromate, it will form 4,4-dinitrophenyl sulfone. It will convert to sulfide to sulfone. After that reduction with tin HCl, it will finally form the dapsone, 4,4-dinitrophenyl sulfone. It is used to treat certain type of skin disorder like dermatitis, herpes formis. It is also used to treat Hansen's disease. It works by decreasing swelling, inflammation, and stopping the growth of bacteria. Toxoplasmosis, dermatitis, pneumocystitis, and acne. It is also used in the toxoplasmosis, dermatitis, pneumocystitis, acne. Thank you.